Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to update your profile on Slack. So we're going to click on this down arrow right here and click on profile and account. So let's say I want to edit my profile. I can go and upload an image. I'm going to choose this new photo of me, and you can also make it smaller. There we go. I'm going to click the save button. Then you can also update your display name. So if that is different than this could be my full name, and then my display name might only show Miley, lowercase. You can also put what you do at your organization. So I'll just put. You can put a phone number if you'd like, you don't have to. You can also put your time zone and your Skype profile if you want that. And then you'll click Save Changes. And just like that, it's updated. So as you can see, the name I've chosen will show up right here, but it will also show your full name right underneath. I prefer to just not have it say that, so I just delete the full name. Apparently I can't. Let's try that. Yeah. So you can go in and update that. And that is how you update your Slack profile.